So do you also want to automatically create a sync between Typeform and Google Sheets? Then you are on the right video. Because yes, just like you, I also used to manually copy paste the form responses from Typeform to my spreadsheet. And what used to happen is like I use Typeform to collect the registrations for webinars I conduct. And now what I want is that whenever I receive the new registration, I want to add the details right over here in my Google Sheets. And for that, I've created this amazing automation. And in this video, I'll show you how you can also create this amazing automation where automatically Typeform responses will be added into your Google Sheets. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can add up to 100 of responses of Typeform free into your Google Sheets, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that, the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below. When you're going to use the discount coupon code which is attached in the description box below, you're going to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and this code is only for the ones who watch our YouTube videos. Alright, so if you like Pabbly Connect, you can definitely move on further and check out that discount coupon code given in the description box below. So this is the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens, and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Typeform. So let's search for Typeform and select it. For the event, we have to select it as new entry and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with Typeform. Once we click on this connect with Typeform, Pabbly is going to ask us for many permissions right over here. So we just have to click on this accept and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. And now our Pabbly and Typeform account is connected, and you have to make sure that your Typeform account is logged in before starting with the automation. Otherwise, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in and then only you can connect it. Now you have to select the form for which you want to capture the form responses and then click on the save and send test request. Make sure that the response format is select as advanced only. And now it is saying waiting for webhook response. We have to do a test submission in order to capture this webhook response. For that, open your form, go on the share, and you're going to see the form URL which you're going to share with everyone to fill in this form. So just copy that link and open it in a new tab, and you have to register for this event yourself. Like you have to do a test submission. So let's click on this get started, and I'm just going to register for this event as smart user. So as you can see, I've entered all of my details. Now it is saying what best describes your current role. So I'm just going to select it as freelancer, and now it is saying what's your biggest challenge in digital growth. So this is not a required question, so I'm just going to leave it as blank and submit this form. Now you can see it is saying you are in, and we have successfully submitted this form. Now let's open our workflow, and Pabbly has captured the response for the same right over here. This is the proof of the successful connection between Typeform and Pabbly Connect. Now let's add these details in our Google Sheets. For that, we have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for Google Sheets right over here and select Google Sheets as our action application. So you have to search for Google Sheets and select Google Sheets right over here. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Once we click on this sign in with Google, we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection. After we select the Gmail account, Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So let's click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because our data is 100% safe with Pabbly. After this, we have to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So as you can see, the name of my spreadsheet is webinar registrations and the sheet is sheet 2. So let's select the same. I'm just going to select it as webinar registrations and the sheet as sheet 2. After selecting both of this, one by one, we have to enter all of these details. In order to enter the details, you don't have to enter it manually by typing it like this, but instead you have to map it. So what you have to do is you have to put a slash and then search for the detail you wish to map, like the customer name. So put slash name and then map the customer name. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. And this makes our workflow run in real time too. So as you can see, I've successfully mapped all the details. You just have to put a slash and search for the detail which you wish to map. After mapping this, click on the save and send test request, and you're going to see we have received the positive response. So let's open our Google Sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added. Not only this, now let's say I'm just going to open my form once again, and I'm just going to fill in this form once again, but this time with the new details. So let's say for the first name, I'm just going to keep it as new this time, and the last name as user, this as the phone number and the email. Now for the best describes your current role, I'm just going to keep it as student, and then I'm just going to submit this form right over here. And after I submit this form, let's open our sheets, and you're going to see the details have been added, be it the customer name, email, phone, or the current role. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever I'm just going to receive a new form registration or new form responses from Typeform, automatically the details will be added in my Google Sheets. So go and try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. Don't forget that the workflow URL and the discount coupon is attached in the description box below. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.